Hey guys, today I'm going to do coding. I already done one video about this one, but I want to try out the other one. Let's see. Should I do this or should I do one of these? I think this one, because they look all similar. Okay. Okay. I might just go back to one of the other apps. Okay, I guess that's for another time. I guess I'll have to do this one. Should we do the one which we already did, or should we just carry on? We'll read on this one. I want to see this one. This one looks interesting. Okay, I have to see the video because I don't know how it works though. Is my sound on? Wow, it's so quiet. Let's just click. Okay. Okay, let's just get this done. I don't want to hear this. This video is going to go too long. Can I continue? Wow, so easy. Wait. I might just skip all the levels till I go to the last level I remember to. Okay, I think I got. Wait, I have to check my phone. I want to check the last video to which said stage. I won't see you in a moment. Save stage. That is here. I don't do this a year ago. Okay. See what stage I got. Okay, guys, I finally found out what. Whoa, wait, what? Where is 15? Really, where is it? Okay, then I have to guess it's on video. How much videos is in this one? Okay, I guess I'm on 10. Oh, I think I done then. I think lesson 6. I think. Oh wow. Oh, that sounds interesting. What's going to happen? Oh, characters will draw a triangle with 3 equal sides. I don't think. Wait, it's a square. C. Run. Yes. Continue. Oh wow, this is actually pretty fun. Oh, it just jumps on? Okay, now I see what. Oh, now I see. Okay.
You find the same way.
Oh yeah. Okay. Luckily I didn't have to. I'm going. I can just use the repeat button, right? And let's just use forwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Done. Run. Wow, that caught me a fright because I didn't do this in a while. I just done it and it asked me a question. Ooh.
Together.
It just says the same thing. Wow. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Below and up, like, I love forwards. Wow, this is so easy, guys. I can just keep on going forever. Okay, I'm going to need to do a couple. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have to do 4 times. 4. Turn left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Live. I have to turn right, or I'm going to look the wrong way. Yeah. Okay, continue. I'm very sorry who my friends are watching this, cause somehow during my life I promised to do to my friends. So I have to turn around. I can put that in here actually. That we can just turn around twice. But I just like to run. Okay, it's 1 turn, so I can pretty much just put this on top. If I turn once, even 1 forward, I forgot, I don't need reason. Even if I be facing this way, yeah, turn right, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces. Cool, BB-8. This is so easy. I can just keep on doing this. Hey, yeah, guys, this is the end of it, so goodbye. I'm very sorry if my friends are watching this, and you can't actually, I don't keep my promise. I'm very sorry, cause my computer is somehow broken. I can't do any of the things, so yeah. I'm very sorry, I have to end the video here, so bye. And if you haven't, give a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. So bye.